Hey guys, Miss Carr here. I am here today to talk to you about the vertical line test. So in math, the vertical line test is a way for us to figure out if a graph is a function or not. Basically, if it passes the vertical line test, then it is a function. If it does not pass the vertical line test, then it is not a function. And you can either say not a function or a relation. And the reason we do this is that sometimes we run across some graphs that are pretty crazy. Graphs can get all sorts of twists and turns, and we need to know later on whether or not these graphs are functions. So, vertical line test breakdown. First of all, as I said, it just helps us figure out if a graph is a function or not. Okay? And then here are your steps. You're going to put your pencil vertically. That's why it's called the vertical line test. So you're going to put your pencil straight up and down. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to run your pencil across the graph. And I'll show you what I mean in a moment. If, while you're doing this, at any point it touches the graph twice, then that means it is not a function. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at our first example. Oop. Okay. Kind of a crazy graph, but like I said, graphs can get pretty ridiculous sometimes. So we're going to take our pencil. I have my marker. You guys will have your pencil. And we're going to put it straight up and down. Sorry, my cat is playing. And then we're going to run this pencil across, and we're looking to see if it ever crosses the graph twice at one time. So far it's only crossing one time as I go along. And then we get here, and hopefully you guys can see this. We are actually crossing that graph 3 separate times. If I were to draw a vertical line there, okay, I am crossing the graph here, here, and here, all at the same time. So that means that it does not pass our vertical line test, which means, Harley, I'm sorry. That means it does not pass our vertical line test, which means that it is not a function. Okay, let's look at example 2. So here, again, I'm going to take my marker, put it straight up and down, and I'm looking to see if it ever crosses twice. Here we go. So far, it's only ever crossing once. We're good, we're good, we're good. Awesome. We never ran into a situation where my marker was touching the function in 2 different places. That means that, yes, this is a function. Yay, it passed. All right, last example here. So this one looks pretty similar to our last one, but it's kind of turned on its side. Let's see what that does. I'm going to take my marker, and I'm running it across my graph. And you can start from either side. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you run it across the whole graph. So as I start, almost immediately I can see that I'm going to cross my graph in 2 places if I draw my vertical line. So that means, no, this is not a function. Okay, so on these next couple activities, get out your pencils, and I know it's going to feel a little bit silly, but run them along your computer screen and see if it crosses the graph twice. If it does, it is not a function. If it only ever crosses once, it is a function. Thanks, guys. Good luck.